Are you searching for most popular electric bike in 2023? Hey guys, I am Ratul Khan. Today I am going to reviews top 5 popular electric bike on the market. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Number 1, Vlfina 26 inches electric bike, brand name, Vlfina, model number, Vlfina 2000. Foldable, no, battery charging time, 5 to 6 hours, max speed, 30 to 50 km per hour. Vlfina 26 inches electric bike is a type of electric bicycle that has a wheel size of 26 inches. It is equipped with a battery-powered electric motor that can assist the rider in pedaling or propel the bike on its own. The electric motor is powered by a rechargeable battery that can be charged using a standard electrical outlet. Best features: lightweight aluminum frame. The bike may have a lightweight aluminum frame that is durable and easy to handle. Long battery life, powerful electric motor, multiple assist modes, LCD display. Front and rear disc brakes, suspension fork. Overall, the Vlfina 26 inches electric bike is a convenient and eco-friendly way to commute or explore the outdoors. It can provide a comfortable and efficient ride, while also reducing the rider's carbon footprint. Number 2, EKX X20 electric bicycle, brand name, EKX, model number, X20, foldable, no. Mode, pure electric, electric assist, pedal, display, LCD. The EKX X20 is an electric bicycle that features a lightweight aluminum frame and a powerful 2000W and 1000W motor. The bike also has a Shimano 7-speed transmission system, hydraulic disc brakes, and front and rear suspension for a comfortable ride on any terrain. The battery is removable and can be charged in 4 to 6 hours. Other features of the EKX X20 include a backlit LCD display, LED lights for visibility, and a sturdy kickstand. It is also equipped with a USB charging port, making it easy to charge your phone or other devices while on the go. Overall, the EKX X20 is a high-performance electric bike that offers a comfortable and efficient ride for both commuting and recreational use. Number 3, Smro electric bike 1000W folding e-bike. The Smro electric bike 1000W folding e-bike is a folding electric bike that is equipped with a 1000-watt motor, making it powerful enough to tackle steep hills and long distances. Its folding design makes it easy to transport and store, making it a great option for commuting, traveling, or leisurely rides. The bike is powered by a 1000-watt brushless motor, which provides ample power and torque to tackle hills and steep inclines. The motor is located in the rear wheel hub, which helps to distribute the weight evenly and improve balance. Overall, the Smro electric bike 1000W folding e-bike is a versatile and powerful electric bike that is well suited for commuting, traveling, and recreational riding. Its folding design and lightweight frame make it easy to transport and store, while its powerful motor and fat tires provide excellent performance on a variety of terrains. Number 4, Jingma R8 20 inches electric bicycle, brand name, Jingma, model number, R8. Max speed, 30 to 50 km per hour, power supply, lithium battery, motor, brushless. The Jingma R8 is an electric bicycle with a 20-inch wheel size. It features a 500W brushless geared motor, which provides a maximum speed of 20 miles per hour. The bike is powered by a 36V12A lithium-ion battery that can cover a range of up to 50 miles on a single charge. Depending on the terrain, rider weight, and other factors, this mountain e-bike equipped with high-quality LCD display. It provides accurate power, speed, and travel distance. The bright headlight and brake rear light make you see and be seen at night to keep you safe. Overall, the Jingma R8 is a reliable and efficient electric bicycle that is suitable for commuting, recreational riding, and other outdoor activities. Number 5. Lafley X3 foldable electric mountain bike, brand name, Lafley, model number, X3. Motor, brushless, frame material, aluminum alloy. The Lafley X3 foldable electric mountain bike is a foldable electric bike designed for off-road use. It features a 500W motor powered by a 48V lithium-ion battery that provides up to 40 miles of riding range on a single charge. The bike can reach speeds of up to 20 miles per hour, making it suitable for both commuting and recreational use. The frame of the Lafley X3 is made of aluminum alloy, which makes it lightweight and durable. The bike features a suspension system that consists of a front fork and a rear shock absorber, providing a smooth and comfortable ride on rough terrain. The bike also comes equipped with 26-inch fat tires that provide excellent traction and stability on loose surfaces such as sand or snow. The Lafley X3 features a 7-speed Shimano transmission system, allowing riders to easily switch between gears for optimal performance on different types of terrain. Overall, the Lafley X3 is a versatile and practical electric bike that is suitable for both off-road and city riding. Its foldable design and long battery life make it a convenient option for commuters, while its suspension system and fat tires make it capable of handling rough terrain. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and stay with us.